Guys, you won't believe it.
Just when we thought this trip couldn't get better, we found biryani.
Very good. Very good.
So good.
Layover.
Weird, but it works.
That's absolutely amazing. So we are here, and that's where we want to go during sunset.
A lychee iced tea, and it's got actual lychees on it.
This is Trace's dream come true.
Like a rice cracker, cold version, I'm not sure. Looks quite cute. And your drink looks really pretty.
Yeah. How's the lychee drink?
So good. It's a pity we can't come here again.
Leaving today.
I know, I'm so sad about that. It's really good though. So good. So good.
It's a massive burger. The size was flat.
Good.
So good. I was actually craving more burger. And the fries with this dip. So good. That's a massive prawn.
So juicy.
So we came to see the an indoor waterfall, but it's off. And I think it's closed for maintenance.
It's the second time. The last time we came as well, it was closed for
Maintenance. We keep missing it.
We might as well find a 7-day express thing.
Yeah, so we got a very long layover in Singapore right now. We actually tried to change our flights to an earlier flight, but they are unable to help us. So now we got to figure out a plan B, or maybe somewhere to sleep, or a lounge, or something. All right, let's go see what we can do. Make some your own laksa.
I think you drop your stuff
Drop it
in.
in there.
I think so. To warm.
So it basically warms up and cooks. Pull the nuts right here. A bit of this sambal. That's it. Guys, after many hours of hanging in the airport, we finally made it into the lounge. It was a long struggle, eh?
It was. We actually didn't expect immigration process and everything to go so quick. That's why we didn't book a hotel, because
We thought by the time we get to immigration, all that
it'll
stuff,
be quite late.
the time will kind of roll by. We couldn't change our flights to an earlier connection, so we had to rough it. Because the other option was leave the airport, go into Singapore, take a taxi,
Check into the hotel.
sleep for a couple of hours, check out, blah, blah, blah. So we decided to rough it. We
Wasn't
went
too bad.
from seats to couches to snoozing lounges, and now we are in
The lounge.
a very nice airport lounge called the Sense Premier Lounge.
Yes.
The selection is insane.
You know, I can't wait to dig in.
Anyway, long story short, they've got my favorite thing in Singapore, which is laksa. So I'm going to do a quick taste test. It smells so nice.
That's so good with bean sprouts. So fresh.
The broth.
I would add a bit more chili.
Oh no, I like it. Oh, this is so good. This is literally my favorite Singaporean dish. 10 out of 5. One dumpling.
dumplings.
So we're gonna try laksa sauce. Yeah, the selection for food is just literally insane.
Everything's so beautifully presented.
Yeah, this is just the first course. We're gonna try some other stuff.
Is that good?
Oh, that's nice. It's basically like a prawn cake dumpling kind of thing.
Very good.
I'm in heaven.
Super, super yummy.
Okay, we'll hopefully try a couple other things. We'll be back.
We were craving coffee.
It is also a bit rainbow. Cafe Kitsune. It's Japanese, but
Made in Paris.
made in Paris. There's a cafe, there's a restaurant, and there's also the fashion brand. Very aesthetic. The Japanese cheesecake was very, 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 very good. So I can highly recommend Cafe Kitsune. 100 meters away from our hotel. So we took a walk down to the beach. Let's just say we weren't keen on going for a walk on the beach.
It's a black sand beach. Just showered. So I didn't want to get my feet dirty.
Bali's beaches are not aesthetic and they're not very clean. One of the better looking beaches you're going to go to, like Uluwatu or something like that. It's just what it is. A little later we went for lunch.
Yeah. Went to a place called Avocado. Literally loved there. The food was so good. Asian fried rice.
Yeah.
Oh, it was just so creamy and buttery and
Yeah.
oh, it was so good.
I ordered one of their signature dishes, which was the avocado pancakes. Crazy combination, but it was
But it worked and just so delicious.
100 out of 10. Highly recommend avocado. In fact,
Factory.
that evening we decided to go and do something a little bit more touristic. We've been avoiding doing like anything too
Touristy.
touristy.
We did that on
Exactly.
our last visit.
Yeah, so we wanted to have much more of like a chill vibe. Nuanu, creative city, and it's meant to be like this future-facing, futuristic development that has a very popular beach club, but it's also got like other elements. It's got like a lot of art, installations, lighting, shows, workshops. On social media, it actually looks like interesting thing to go and do. But it was a bit of a mediocre experience.
Yeah, it was.
There were two things that we wanted to definitely see. One was the statue heads that light up at night and have like projections on them.
So beautiful.
Yeah,
Absolutely
so that-
beautiful. That was actually the highlight of us going there.
And then the second thing was the tower that also lights up at night. We left the heads
Yeah.
to go look at the tower. The tower had already closed.
I know, and it was lit up as well. So I think they need to get the timing right as well.
It's stuff like that that kind of makes the experience very disorganized.
Yeah.
Like, you actually don't know what's going on. I think there's only two reasons you'd go there right now. If you're going to go spend the day at the beach club is beautiful. Like, spend the day, get your money's worth. I think it's worth going to go and see the heads light up. This morning, we had a very chill morning. We decided to go for a late lunch to a place called
Sari Kitchen, indoor-outdoor vibe.
buttermilk chicken burger thing. Very good.
Tempura vegetable platter.
Highly recommend.
Yeah.
Very chilled couple days for us in Bali. We didn't want to do too much of the tourist stuff. Went to cafes and restaurants and kind of just explored
Ate really
the
good
area.
food.
I think Canggu is great for food, cafes, the beach.
And gully shop.
Not for us the beach, but the beach. And if you're shopping for lots of sort of-
Accessories and boutique stuff.
Anyway, guys, that was our trip to Bali.
Yeah, short but sweet. I definitely want to go back.
On our previous trip, we did Kuta, Seminyak,
Ubud.
Ubud, but I think we'll definitely try and go back because
Yeah.
there's some other parts of Bali that we want to be explored, like maybe the northern side. Okay, Trey's back with something else.
Every time we go there, there's new stuff.
There's new things. This is the quail egg, guys. I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
Oh, let's go. It's so creamy.
Mm,
It's really good. Really good.
very nice. Okay, I found another. It's the classic Singapore milk tea. It's in a can, low in sugar. How nice.
Did you see the coffee version as well?
Yeah, there's a coffee version also. Oh, so nice. It tastes like boba. Isn't that yummy?
Oh, that is yummy. Troll will like. And it's not too sweet, which is quite nice.
Highly recommend. Dessert selection, date and walnut cake.
Cake and
What's this one?
mango cheesecake, pineapple jam biscuit.
Oh, it's so soft.
So pretty.
Just. Damn, that's good.
It is mango and passion.
Date and walnut cake. It's a bit more crumbly.
It's actually very moist.
I like it.
You also like it.
This is a 5 out of 5.
I really like that.
I like that.
It's very cute.
So do it.
Just like Mavic biscuit with a bit of jam.
One
jelly
of those
jam,
things, yeah.
or strawberry rolls. Everything has been excellent so far.
Well, I think we're too full to try anything else right now, but I can't guarantee that. So we'll see you guys just now. Guys, you won't believe it.
Just when we thought this trip couldn't get better, we found biryani. It's like a veg palau,
Yeah.
but then they have like these tandoori pieces and aloo gobi,
Fish in coconut curry, chicken tikka,
chicken tikka.
aloo gobi, and obviously biryani or biryani. That's very
Super
tasty.
soft and tender.
The food in this lounge is just amazing.
And they keep changing the dishes. I mean, you just said I should try the prawn noodles.
It's gone.
It's gone. So they bring out different types of dishes.
How's the aloo gobi?
It's so tasty. It's so
Very good.
flavorful.
Try the chicken tikka. Oh,
It's good.
so good.
I love the char on it.
Wanted to try it quickly before we leave. Yeah, we're heading out to
Back to
our flight.
Bangkok?
Yeah, we're flying back to Bangkok just now. And we got a couple of days in Bangkok.
And then back home.
And then we head home. So, yeah, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. Just arrived in Bangkok and immigration line is insane.